Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I'm going to be doing a Crypto.com welcome package unboxing review. So let's just get right into it. So this is the box it came in. I already opened everything, but we're just going to start off with what it came with. So it came with this little note. You guys can pause the video here and just read what that says. You can see Chris Marzalek signed it. And first things first, we got a sticker, Crypto.com sticker. It's pretty big. And second, you got a webcam cover. So, you know, to make sure no one's looking at you through your computer webcam. Next up, we have a hat. It's 940 adjustable, new era, and it's a pretty nice hat. It says Crypto.com on the side. It's got the logo. This is the inside. It's breathable, as you can see, it's got the little holes in it. Pretty nice hat. It's a really nice box as well. Some little like goodies right there, and then to more of a main item. And sorry if there's dog hair on it. I mean, it was really nice packaging, but I already opened it and everything. But this is the Crypto.com t-shirt, and I was able to order my size. It's a large. It's pretty comfortable, nice big t-shirt. And this is the North Face jacket. It has a nice hoodie right here, so that's pretty cool. I really like the hoodie part, and it's really loose, breathable. I guess mainly for cold weather, but it's less of a rain jacket and more for like going on a hikers, or if it's just cold out, or like drizzling, I guess. But yeah, it's got one little pocket, two, and then three. So three zipper pockets. It says Crypto.com on it. Let's see about the back side. It just says North Face. So there's really nothing on the back. It says North Face on the sleeves too. On the Crypto.com t-shirt, it's a bit different though. On the back of this thing, you can see that it does say Crypto.com. All that stuff is just dog hair, but Crypto.com. And yeah, that's all that the box came with. So all in all, to recap it, I got a Crypto.com t-shirt, a little hat, a North Face jacket, and in this really nice box, I got a sticker and a webcam cover. So overall, I think it was less than $200 that this was worth. And I'll have another video out where I review this one compared to swipes and everything like that. Even though you can't get swipes anymore, because swipes are completely like new thing. They don't have debit cards anymore. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, and how long it took for me to get this package, I'd say, let's see, my stake ended in February, 9 months. It took me 9 months to get all this, which you guys shouldn't be in a rush to get it. It's really like, it's nice stuff, but like, I don't know. I don't see the reason in like trying to get it in a short amount of time. Like, that wasn't why I staked for the card. Anyways, I got this from being an Icy White member. You can also get it if you're a Rose Gold or Obsidian Black. And if you staked for a Rose Gold or Icy White, and then you upgrade to an Obsidian Black, you'll actually get this package a second time. I'll see you guys later in my next video.